Hello YouTube, and welcome back to On the Creek. Today I'm going to be showing you my Michigan top secret ingredient for making catfish and carp bait. It's a homemade bait, it's not very expensive, and it really works. So stay tuned, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button below, make sure you hit that, and you can get more videos like this. And if you do get some value from this video, please hit the like button, it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we're talking about homemade catfish and carp bait, and I'm going to show you my top secret ingredient. And it's really only 3 ingredients, so it's really easy to make and it's really affordable to make. I've got some panko crispy breadcrumbs, that was $1. I've got some Clover Valley quick oats. You want the quick oats because they get a little creamy and it helps stick together on the hook. And that was like $3. You can buy the top end stuff, but I went to our discount store and I bought this stuff super cheap. The fish don't care whether it's, you know, name brand or not. They're going to eat it just the same. And then our top secret ingredient, which I'm going to show you guys later, is $1. So, well, $1.10 anyway. So for $5, you've got a whole mess of catfish and carp bait, and they absolutely love it. So let's get to started here, and you need your 2 ingredients and our top secret ingredient, which I'm going to show you later. And you need a bowl to put it in. You're going to want to refrigerate this if you're going to keep it. It's not going to keep for a long time. So make sure you put it in something that fits in your refrigerator. It's all food grade stuff, so it shouldn't ruin anything as long as you don't let it go moldy. It's something you're going to want to use fairly quick, within a week probably. And the next thing we're going to use is rubber gloves, because I'm going to use my hands to stir it, and I'm not going to use a spoon. You could use a spoon, but the problem with the spoon is you're not going to be able to feel the consistency. And that's very important. If the bait gets like crumbly and it falls apart, then it's not going to do you any good because it won't stay on the hook. The best hook to use is a dough bait hook, which is basically a treble hook with a spring on it. Or you can even put this in like a method feeder or a method lead or some sort of spring fish feeder, something like that. So let's get going here. So we got our panko. We'll open this up. And we're going to open up our quick oats. And I'm not going to start with the whole thing. I mean, if you were going to do a lot of fishing, you know, you could most definitely just dump each can in here, some secret ingredient, and call it a day. But we're going to start with probably half. So I'm going to go half quick oats, half panko, and then we're going to stir this around, get it mixed in, and then we're going to show you the secret ingredient. So now that this is mixed in, you can kind of see there, this is our dry ingredients, and it's just mixed in real good. Are you ready, guys, for the secret ingredient? Are you sure you can handle this? Faygo Red Pop. Yes, those for Michigan. Faygo Red Pop is an awesome catfish and carp bait. If you're not from Michigan and you're watching this, it's strawberry soda. So you can use other strawberry sodas. I'm sure it'll work the same, but in Michigan we use Faygo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this Faygo up, and we're going to add it to the dry ingredients. And then you're going to mix it in. This is, see, now you're understanding why we use gloves. So another good thing about not just throwing it all in there, if I put too much soda in here, I can always add more dry ingredients to get the consistency to be what I want it to be. You can also add sweet corn in here, jello powder, to make it more strawberry flavored. I don't do that, but I might have did just right. So let me move this out of the way here. So as you can see, as I mix it up, it gets kind of like a red color. The oats and the panko start to make, it literally makes like dough, hence the name dough bait. So what you're going to do is you're going to almost knead it like you would, like bread dough. And you want it to really absorb all of that soda and get good and tasty. I don't know how many people I've heard tell me, oh, you got to use chicken livers, you got to do rancid stuff to catch catfish. This is oatmeal, panko, and Faygo. I could eat this if I wanted to. I wouldn't, but I could. It doesn't smell bad. It does get a little sticky. So there's that. So when you're out there fishing, it gets a little sticky on your hands, and that's kind of unfortunate. I usually just kind of rinse my hands off in the river, and then you did it right when you have a good solid ball that's really going to stick to the hook. See, I'm shaking this pretty good, and it's breaking apart, but it's clingy, right? And then once you put this on the hook, you'll pack it real tight, make it kind of like round, like a pod. And once it gets in the water, the sugar and the oats, because you're going to let this sit up for a little bit, it will, the outside will be a little bit rough, but it doesn't absorb water to the center, so it doesn't get mushy. You can use this to chum if that's what you like to do. You can make little dough balls and throw it out there. The carp love it. Catfish love it. But you might want to check and make sure that that's legal to do in your area. So anyways, guys, this is going to be a quick one. There you go. My top secret catfish and carp bait. And remember, guys, get out and live. And the good thing about this is once you're done, you get to drink some Faygo. Catch you next time.